take a detailed tour of this house where the architects explain the layout planning, materials used, and highlight the most important and interesting features of the design. You can also download the PDF ebook. All of this on buildofy.com.
This city house has been emerged between the very tight urban fabric. When the client approaches us with plot of a 40 feet by 45 feet, that is a standard module for the housing society which is surrounded by this city house plot. And they were supposed to get the next plot to their house. So it was the phase 2 of the house. Initially we started with the process that house has to be very introvert because there is always issue of the privacy because the margin of the neighborhoods are very tight. That young couple has they want to build their dream house. So they have many requirements. So it was a challenge for us. The neighborhood houses are overlooking this plot very tightly. So we have to create a house which is introvert and that accommodates all the state-of-art facilities and the functions our client need. Our clients are a family of 4 young couple and 2 young kids and well-traveled family. They are from the construction background. They were very keen about their micro detailing of the residence, interior detailing. We planned the house in a certain way that it has to grow vertically. We want to reduce the footprint of the house. So whenever we get the next plot, which can be a green extension of the house to spill out with the family spaces at the ground floor. So the first floor is more dedicated to the bedrooms. We have 3 bedrooms on the first floor, where the master bedroom for the young couple and 2 kids bedroom. And the top floor is accommodating their recreational activities like home theater is there, terrace garden is there, and they can cook there, they can party there. And there is one more guest bedroom on the top floor. So all the extra amenities which is not going to be used on a daily basis are located on the second floor. The plot of this city house is of a 40 feet by 45 feet, and that is a typical plot format for the entire housing and entire neighborhood. When you see the urban fabric of this area, so every adjoining house are having a very little margin to be left on the sides. So when we are talking about the city house, privacy is the issue. It was originally an old house of our client, so it is a redevelopment project. They have some emotional values attached to this plot. We wanted to build their house on this plot with all the modern facilities which they didn't had it in their old house. Every floor holds the different activities of the residents. We have raised the entire plinth area because this area has some issues of the waterlogging, and while in the redevelopment of the urban facilities, road might get higher and higher. So we have raised the plinth area and the garden area, which provides a good privacy from the neighborhood as well. While talking about zoning of the spaces, on the ground floor, as you approach from the south side road, there is a veranda space, which is an interactive space with the neighborhood, and the living area and the kitchen and dry dining area, which is family areas, and 1 bedroom and the attached toilet on the ground floor. We have kept the possibilities to add some veranda or porch on the east side of the plot, so the rest of the areas can act as a garden space and a green buffer space between the 2 houses. Moving towards the first floor, it is private spaces basically. The south side is a master bedroom adjoining with the walk-in closet and the toilet, whereas Northeast is the daughter's bedroom attached with the toilet, and there is another children bedroom which is located in the northwest. The daughter's bedroom, which is located on the northeast, has a good extension of the veranda kind of a space which is overlooking the garden activities. While the second floor is dedicated to the entertainment activities, where we have designed the home theater room and small pantry area adjoining to it, and we have accommodated one more guest bedroom which is a requirement of the client. Home theater area which is opening up to the covered gazebo kind of a terrace which is on the south side of the plot. As the house is approachable from the south side road, so it is a very harsh climatical condition on the south side. So we wanted the front facade of the house very minimal and with the least openings, because there are issue of the heat we are gaining from the south side, as well as there are privacy issues. The massing of the house are very cubical, geometrical and very basic. So we wanted to keep it very simple with the material palette of a red clay brick. We have used the terracotta jali to enclose the bigger opening of the living areas on the front street, and there are very small size window which is located, which is gaining the wind from the southwest direction and serving to the master bedroom. And the veranda on the south side acts as a welcoming space, and that can be a interactive space for the client, where we have placed very nice zula. And the terrace area, which is having the gazebo kind of a metal structure, which is finally opening up to the terrace garden we have created on the top floor.
Also, we have used the louvers, aluminium louvers in front veranda. That is also to reduce the heat as well as the privacy from the main street.
So overall, the general areas of the house with the pastel colors and light colors, whereas the private spaces like the bedroom of the house has been as per the taste, liking and age of the clients.